In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a long shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. This technique is simple yet powerful, allowing you to add depth and drama to your designs. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening Adobe Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop, you'll first want to create a new canvas. Simply go to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen and select New. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the size of your canvas. It's important to choose the dimensions that best fit your project. For a simple text effect, a standard canvas size, such as 1280 by 720 pixels, works great, but feel free to adjust it according to your needs. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to create the text that you'll be working with. Click on the Text tool, which you can find in the toolbar on the left side of the screen, symbolized by a large T. Once you've clicked it, click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. Choose a bold and easy-to-read font. This will enhance the impact of your shadow effect. Adjust the color, size, and position of your text until you're satisfied. With your text set up, the next step is to duplicate it. This duplication will be the foundation for creating the shadow. Right-click on your text layer in the Layers panel, which is typically located on the right side of your screen, and select Duplicate Layer. You now have a copy of your text that you can work with separately. Once you've duplicated your text, change the color of this new layer to black. This black text layer will become the shadow. You can do this by selecting the text with the Text tool again and then choosing black from the color palette at the top of the screen. It's time to apply the shadow effect. Go to the Filter menu at the top of your screen and select Blur Gallery, then choose Path Blur. This will open a new window where you can adjust the shadow's direction and appearance. In the Path Blur panel, you'll see controls for adjusting the speed and tapering of the blur. These parameters help define how intense and long the shadow will appear. Remember to uncheck Centered Blur to ensure your shadow trails uniformly away from your text. This step is crucial for a natural-looking shadow. Play around with these settings until you achieve your desired effect. Every design might need a different tweak, so don't hesitate to experiment. And there you have it, a long shadow effect that adds flair to your design. Don't forget to save your work by going to File and then selecting Save As. Follow these steps and you'll master the long shadow effect in no time. Thank you for watching and happy designing.